now it's time to bring up the headliner of the evening. Very special. Please welcome to the stage.
Escape from New York, but I be on some Brooklyn bullshit. I pull clips as fast as I dose chicks with dope tits. Tommy Lee called, said the coke surviving at 6. Got my name all in your mouth like you liable to brick. Click me on the tube, chain swinging down to my shoes. Light up the room, African boom, sparking and zoom. Disciple of rock, the type of range, rifles and cops. I'm spiteful, fakes get left shaking like Michael J. Fox.
I feel the AIDS-affected needle acupuncture. Gangster and hustler, murderer and kidnapper suspect. Rapper and dust head, from blood red to drip blue. My shit's too colorful, running through with 100 goons and maniacs. If a bitch like to suck dick, she a brainiac. Bust up in they mouthpiece, see how they react. Take it back like an instant replay. Live in the PJs, watching my uncle freebase, analyzing the anguish on a fiend's face. I learned to love my trees lace, the way the PCP tastes, the way it make me see things. Old school like spot builds and sheepskins. Since I write this, I'm rocking iceberg jeans and Timbs. Thinking where I'm gonna be in 2007, either a house in the Hamptons or a house in heaven. I be chilling on the beach in the south of Venice, or murking the president live on Channel 7.
Coming through rocket, wow like rock stars who smash guitars. Non-fiction, yeah.
Unadulterated.
MCs.
Coming through rocket, wow like rock stars who smash guitars. Non-fiction, yeah.
Unadulterated.
MCs.
I be Brooklyn till I die, don't even question it twice. My crew nice, late night in the corners, we shoot dice. It's like summertime in New York. Jean shorts, Tim's, blue buck, tank tops and koofies. Groupies acting loosely. Hoopy in a black drop with a hat cock, that cat block. Puffin' the stove, get spit snapshots. I'm trying to live, feed the kids, drop some whips, handle biz, own a crib, do my shit in the streets. That's how
If
it
I
is.
say rock star, I'm talking about rocking the mic. My shit's hot like the rock, a fiend dropping the pipe. These cats is idiots, with rap so pussy they catch periods. I'm serious, my life is like a drug experience. A porno movie with no plot, and I'm the only guy in it. Like vivid videos with Kobe tie-dye bitches. Ill Bill, rap crusader, chilling in the Black Navigator, Canarsie to Pennsylvania.
Smash guitars. Coming through rocket, wow like rock stars who smash guitars. Non-fiction, yeah.
Unadulterated.
MCs.
Break with me, you're out. Banging with shells and heaters out. Blast off the terrorists, blow bombs and speakers out. Hookers and bricks, gutted cats, bitches and pimps, cripples and gimps, ex-cons, pushes and tricks. Street poets speak the essence, what's realer than this? Up in the club, smoked out coke, the feeling the crisp. You lighten the wrist, Richard Simmons flow with a pick, taking my record label hostage if they stopping my shit.
I remember them cold nights and long lines for clubs. Now it's strictly VIP, free drinks and drugs, pounds and hugs, getting back rubs. Read them underground thugs, stay street but got newfound love. Take a continental drive, a rental travel the globe. Non-fiction to the end, well while we rock shows, explode from out the projects. Glenwood to Trosneck, roll your drink off and make a toast to how the gods get.
Coming through rocket, wow like rock stars who smash guitars. Non-fiction, yeah.
Unadulterated.
MCs.
Coming through rocket,